So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at optionalpha.com, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we are going to be talking about intraday trading and answering the question, can it work for options traders too? So I think a lot of people are drawn to the idea of trading intraday. So day trading, if you will, entering a position, having this huge profit show up in 15 minutes or 20 minutes, and then exiting the position. And in fact, as I've been watching a lot of communities and Facebook groups out there, particularly in the Robinhood space, because people are getting in for no commissions, I'm seeing people posting all of their gains and profits and losers and winners on intraday trading. And then everyone else is supporting them and saying, keep at it. You know, intraday trading works. And people are starting with a $200 account and risking $100 per trade. I think the reality is that, of course, it probably works for some people. I'm not going to say that it absolutely emphatically does not work, right? That'd be ignorant of me to say 100% it doesn't work. I can tell you though, all the people that I've ever coached before, all the research I've done, all the back testing that we've done, all the technical analysis indicators that we've back tested during intraday timeframes, it's really, really hard to make a case to say that it's going to be profitable long term. You just can't get the moves in the underlyings that you need. You don't get the time decay that you need. You don't get the implied volatility edge to play out over time like it should. The way that I think about options trading is I think about options trading in the sense of you enter a position now when implied volatility is wherever it is, and you have locked in your edge and your profit. It just takes all the way till expiration for you to actually be able to pull that money out of the bank, right? So you've often heard the saying in real estate that you make your money when you buy. It's the same thing with options trading. You make your money when you sell, when you're trading options. It's just that you realize your money after the expiration month has played out, the implied volatility edge has played out, time decay has eroded the value of those contracts, and now you can withdraw that money and hopefully take home some income with it, right? So for that reason, intraday trading just is too short of a time period to profit from the things that we know to be edges in trading, mainly implied volatility, time decay, etc. So intraday trading has no impact on that, or very little impact on that, which is why I don't think that it really works for many options traders. So by all means, knock your socks off, go try to do it, see if it works for you. And then when it doesn't, then you can come on back to Option Alpha and we'll teach you how to do it on a monthly and income-based approach. So as always, hopefully this helps out. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from optionalpha.com.